नमस्कार, I am Sushil Kumar Singh of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Narkatiyaganj. Today, in class 8th, we learn subject mathematics, second chapter, linear equation in one value. In this chapter, first of all, we know about equation. An equation is a mathematical statement in which two quantities are equal. It has two expressions. Both expressions are present on different sides of equality sign. First of all, we take an example. X plus 5 equal to 7 minus 3. This is sign of equality. In left hand side there is an expression 3x plus 5, and in right hand side another expression 7y minus 3. Between these two expressions there is sign of equality. This is sign of equality. Then in an equation there are two expressions present on different side of equality side. In the left hand side this is the expression, and in the right hand side this is the expression. So in an equation there are two expressions and both expressions are present on different side of equality side. Now we learn about linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. There are two terms. First, linear equation, and second, one variable. Linear equation in one variable. First of all, you know about linear equation. An equation in which maximum exponent of variable is 1 and equation in which maximum exponent of a variable is 1 is called linear equation. And second, in one variable, the equation in which only one variable is present, that equation is known as linear equation in one variable. Then an equation in which maximum exponent of a variable is 1 and there is only one variable. Equation is called linear equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. Example: variable x, only one variable, and exponent here not present, so it is 1. Here exponent of x not present, so exponent is 1. So maximum number of exponent is 1. Also number of variable only one, only x is present in this equation. So this is linear equation in one variable. Similarly 3x equal to 5. Only one variable x is present and maximum number of exponent here not shown, so it is 1. Another 7y minus 5 equal to 0. Here variable y present, only one variable y, also exponent is 1, so it is linear equation. Now first exercise 2.1. In this exercise we have to learn about how to solve linear equations. Exercise 2.1. In this exercise some linear equations are given. You have to solve those linear equations. First question, that x minus 2 equal to 7. This is a linear equation. How we solve this equation? To solve this equation, first of all write the equation. X minus 2 equal to 7. Then write or you can give sign of implies also. Either write or give sign of implies. Then write the x. Now see, constant present 2. In right hand side only one constant present. Now try to write both constant in only one side. For this, transpose this constant in right hand side. This is minus 2. When we transpose it in right hand side, then it becomes plus 2. First of all, write the constant 7 is present in right hand side. Then here minus sign, so write plus, then write 2. We transpose 2 in right hand side. Implies x equal to, this is addition 7 and 2. And after adding 7 and 2 we get 9. So solution is x equal to 9. Similarly, we can solve another questions. Question number 5. 6x equal to 2. Solution. Equation is 6x equal to 2. Or x equal to, transpose this constant 6 in right hand side. In right hand side 12 is present. Here 6 is with multiplication. So when we transpose 6 in the right hand side, then it is with division sign. Then write upon 6. 6 to the 12. X equal to 2. So solution is x equal to 2. This is the required solution. Now homework. Solve question number 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 of exercise 8.1. Thank you. We meet in next class.